I'm really proud that one of my main focuses has been on career development for the staff in the service, particularly the healthcare support worker workforce. Now, it's an issue that's close to my heart because I started here 26 years ago in this organisation as an OT healthcare support worker myself, and throughout the last 26 years I've been supported to develop my career to the post I'm in now. I've been able to have networking opportunities, development, leadership, training, clinical training, do my OT degree and do postgrad study, and I want to make sure that all of our staff are able to access that career development pathway if they want it. The healthcare support worker work that we've been doing more recently is developing level 3 and level 4 diplomas, moving those into apprenticeships with local colleges to widen access even further, and also working with our local universities to develop part-time courses that our staff can have degree courses whilst still maintaining their employment with the organisation. This is a great way of widening access and allowing people who might not be in a position financially, for example, to give up work to develop their careers, and we can support people to do that. And because of that, people are able to stay with the organisation for the whole of their careers.